Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your metabolism just won't cooperate? You're not alone. Many people struggle with stubborn weight, constant hunger, and low energy. And the root cause might not be what you think. Let's dive into the surprising truth behind a sluggish metabolism, and more importantly, how to restore it naturally. First, we need to understand the foundation. When most people try to lose weight, they focus on calorie restriction or intense workouts. But here's the catch. Traditional dieting often slows down your metabolism. That's right, cutting calories can make your body burn less energy, making it even harder to lose weight over time. And the more you diet, the more sluggish your metabolism can become. Your body is smart. It's built for survival. When it senses a drop in calorie intake, it reacts by holding onto fat and increasing hunger hormones. That's why many people who lose weight quickly on strict diets eventually hit a wall, and worse, regain the weight later. So what's really happening inside your body? Let's talk about your set point. This is the weight your body naturally tries to maintain. If your set point is too high, your body will fight to stay there. Our goal is to gently lower this set point so your metabolism naturally supports a healthier weight. Now here's where things get interesting. One of the biggest disruptors of your metabolism and set point is a hormone called insulin. Insulin is released by the pancreas, and its main job is to regulate blood sugar. But that's not all it does. Insulin also influences how your body stores fat and uses protein. In fact, even small amounts of insulin can stop your body from burning fat. Let's break it down. When you eat a high-carb meal, your blood sugar rises. Your body responds by releasing insulin, which helps store sugar as energy. But when there's too much sugar, insulin turns it into fat, especially around your belly and in your liver. Over time, this can lead to a condition known as insulin resistance. Insulin resistance happens when your cells stop responding properly to insulin. This forces your body to produce even more of it. And remember, high insulin means no fat burning. It becomes a vicious cycle. Your insulin levels go up, your body holds onto fat, and your metabolism slows down. Symptoms of insulin resistance include brain fog, fatigue after eating, constant hunger, belly fat, high blood pressure, and even changes in skin pigmentation. If you experience any of these, your metabolism may be under hormonal stress. So what causes insulin resistance in the first place? The obvious culprit is sugar. But here's what many people don't realize. Even protein and frequent eating can raise insulin levels. That's where the insulin index comes into play. Unlike the glycemic index, which measures how fast foods raise blood sugar, the insulin index shows how much insulin a food triggers. Surprisingly, some high-protein foods spike insulin just as much as carbs. And frequent snacking, even on healthy foods, can keep insulin levels elevated throughout the day. But here's the good news. Fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and butter barely affect insulin. That's why low-fat diets often backfire. Without healthy fats to buffer the insulin response, your body ends up storing more fat, not less. So what's the best way to fix a slow metabolism? First, focus on lowering your insulin levels by reducing sugar and refined carbs. Add healthy fats to your meals, and avoid frequent snacking. Intermittent fasting can also help, as it gives your body time to lower insulin and start burning stored fat. And don't fear fat. Natural fats can actually support a healthier metabolism. When you bring insulin under control, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, and your set point starts to shift. That's how you fix a slow metabolism, not by starving yourself, but by working with your hormones instead of against them. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well. Your support matters. Be sure to explore the following videos for even more life-changing insights and wisdom that can make a real difference.